Okay, grade 8, once more. We are going to continue about solving problems, word problems, application of system of linear equation. This time we are going to talk about numbers, about fractions. Okay, so these are two problems here. Number one says the numerator of a fraction is 3 less than the denominator. If 5 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, the value of the resulting fraction is 3/4. Find the original fraction. Number 2, a fraction has a value of 2/3. When 15 is added to its numerator, the resulting fraction equals the reciprocal of the value of the original fraction. So what is the original fraction? So shall we show it by a solution on the board? So number 1. So we just have the original fraction with n over d. That should be the original fraction. So let's make an equation out of the problem here. The numerator of a fraction, so n, is 3 less than the denominator. So d minus 3. I want to repeat, it cannot be 3 minus d. It must be d minus 3. So that is an equation. Now, if 5 is added to both, so meaning to say that n over d, you add 5 here, you also add 5 here, the value of the resulting fraction will be equal to 3/4. Okay, find the original fraction. So we can use substitution. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Use substitution. Use this value here to replace n here. So it will become d minus 3 plus 5 over d plus 5 will be equals to 3/4. Okay, let's simplify. That will become d plus 2 over d plus 5 equals 3/4. Okay, we cross multiply. So it will become 4 times d plus 5 will be equal to 3 times d plus 5. Correction, this is 2. So that it will be 4d plus 8 will be equals to 3d plus 15. So transposing 3d and transposing 8. So it will be 4d minus 3d is d, and 15 minus 8. So d will be equals to 7. So that's the denominator. So we can now solve for the numerator. So d minus 3. So substitute d with 7 minus 3. So that n will be equals to 4. So therefore, the original fraction is 4 over 7. Okay, so that's the solution to the problem. Now we go to number 2, erase. So erase this, erase. Okay, it says there that a fraction has a value 2/3. So meaning to say that n over d is equal to 2 over 3. When 15 is added to its numerator, so it will become n plus 15 over d. The resulting fraction equals the reciprocal of the value of the original fraction. This is the value of the original fraction, so it will be reciprocal 3 over 2. So find the original fraction. Okay, shall we solve for n here? So n will be equals to 2d over 3. So we are going to use this value to substitute for n there. So that it will be 2d over 3 plus 15 all over d will be equals to 3 over 2. So we are going to cross multiply so that it will be 2 times 2 there. Shall we just do it this way? So 2 times 2d over 3 plus 15 will be equals to 3d. 3d. So that will become 4d over 3 plus 30 will be equals to 3d. Okay, transpose 30 to the right side and transpose 3d to the left side. So it will be 4d over 3 minus 3d will be equals to negative 30. So get rid of the denominator there, times 3. So that will be 4d minus 9d multiply will be equals to negative 90. So that will be negative 5d will be equals to negative 90 divided by negative 5 divided by negative 5. So cancel. So d will be equals to 18. So your denominator is 18. Substitute it here so that n will be equals to 2 times 18 over 3. So that will be 36 over 3. That will be equals to 12. So the fraction will be 12 over 18. Okay, this is the original fraction, 12 over 18. Checking. If you add 15 sa 12, so it will be 12 plus 15 is 27 over 18. It will be equals to 3 over 2. This is the reciprocal of the original value, and that is correct, dividing by 9. Okay, so 3, 2. So that's the solution to the problem. So manipulation.